And right here I have the wireless earbuds, and they come in this awesome case. So these are awesome from PSIER. So thanks a lot to PSIER for sending these out to review. Comes with its own case that can be wirelessly charged, so you can charge it right here on the bottom, and then this case will give additional charging to these earbuds right here. But they've got the charging ports right here on the side, the little metal pieces. Also comes with 3 different size ear plugs, so you can, if you have different size ears, you can put those on as well. But I like this style because it wraps over the ear and it doesn't fall out, like if you just lay down or if you're jogging or running or whatever. But what's cool is when you put these back in the case, it'll show 100% right here, and then it's showing the R as in the right side, and then now shows the left side and what the battery percentage is for that. So very cool. And once you do connect them to your phone, as soon as you take them out, they will connect right away. So they're kind of red and white, and now they are connected and ready to go. But have a ton of sound, a great sound quality to them, and they fit over the ear well, and they feel good. Very comfortable to wear, great sound, does everything you need. Comes with a charging cord as well, and so that this plugs in the back here, and then you just plug this into USB to charge. So it's great to have the case and be able to get some extra power if you want to put those in there if your case is charged, and take this on the go. Very compact and portable, perfect little headphones and earbuds that are wireless and going to do everything that you want them to do. So thanks a lot to PSIER for sending these out. This is a great product. Can highly recommend, definitely pick up a set of these.